As the land around their house falls away, the worry grows for those living around the two homes in Irondequoit, sitting now just feet from where a landslide brought on by last week's rain stripped away their yards.
And so now many of you might be wondering, what if this happens to you? Deshaun Johnson takes a look into the insurance options available for homeowners.
Two families in Irondequoit are left frustrated after this massive landslide continues to erode away in the coming days. Something else that's been frustrating them, their insurance. Now, although they've slowly been making progress, it raises the question if an insurance company would handle something like this again in the future.
This is a very rare occurrence in the area. It's not something we typically do see.
A unique situation that's leaving some families helpless.
Just tell us what's going on. What's the next step? We need a solution.
Two families are left terrified and packing up as this massive landslide continues to get worse behind their homes. For one family, steps are finally being taken with their insurance, but it raises the question, should insurance companies start covering these types of situations?
Unfortunately, though, this is something that's typically not covered by a homeowner policy.
Insurance agencies typically list incidents out of human control under what's called acts of God, but it's up to the insurance if they want to classify an incident like that.
Earth movement is going to be one of those things that's excluded on almost every single homeowner policy that's out there, whether that's caused by an earthquake or the land shifting another way like a landslide. Those are things that are typically going to be excluded on a homeowner policy.
David Kurse with AAA says some insurance companies may try to do a workaround on the insurer's policy.
It does sound like the insurance carrier in this case is trying to get creative and trying to find some ways to make sure that that is covered for the this insured, which is fantastic. It's such a rare occurrence, especially in New York State, of having to deal with a landslide and making sure that that is properly covered.
But some insurance companies may not do the same, leaving a massive hole in someone's pocket.
If the insurance can't do it, that's going to be the unfortunate part, because you almost have to self-insure in that case. Meaning what you're going to have to do is have enough money to cover those repairs or even the loss of use.
Kurse says he recommends anyone, whether with current insurance or new to it, to read through the fine print.
It's always important to have an idea of what's in there, what's covered, what's not covered. The time to figure this out is before a loss, not after a loss, to make sure that you are properly covered.
Deshaun Johnson, News 8.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 On Demand. Plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.